So hi friends, today in this session we are going to discuss about the importance of TestNG XML and how to execute only one particular method. So that we will discuss in this session. So initially I have created one package called pack, and I have created one class that is test. So before going into execute, so I'm creating some methods, so that is public void test Facebook. So method name is test Facebook, and I want to print in console, so that I'm using system.out.println and Facebook. So before going to execute, will it execute? No, because there is no main method. So always execution starts from main method, so that we need to write the main method. So text annotation will be act as main method. So I'm writing text annotation, and I imported testng dot annotations, and I'm copying this method over here. So because I don't want to flag, but I'm changing the name here. Skype, and this I'm printing Skype, and so here I'm using a book. Method name is book, and here the method name is I'm writing pen. So here I'm printing pen. Here I'm writing book. So now what will happen? So I'm going to my project, and I convert my test. Go to TestNG and convert to TestNG. So click on test and next, and click on finish, and one XML file will be generated. So click on this TestNG XML and run as TestNG suite. Then that 4 methods will be executed. So here executed successfully, that means Facebook, Skype and pen. So but here by my intention is I want to print only these two methods, that is test Facebook and test Skype. So here what I need to do is, so I should use include or exclude tags. So how you will use, so we'll see here. So here we need to write methods, that means so actually the order of the HTML suite is, so before, so it is suite. So after that test, we need to write text, and then classes. So in that classes we have to write the class names, and make sure that for every tag we need to close. So here I am writing classes, and here I have closed the tag. So I'm coming to next. So in classes we have written class. In that class we have to write the methods. So what method you have to execute, so that you need to write. So methods, and I want to execute only 2 methods. So I want to include, I'm using including tag, and so the method name is test dot star. So dot star means starting with the test, the method name will start with the test, will be executed. All the methods starts with the test will be executed, this meaning. So I am closing the tag here, and now I'm executing so I'm running as testng. So now it should display only 2 methods, that means it is executed only 2 methods. So here, coming to here, only 2 methods are executed. So coming to test class. So starting with the test, that is here only two tests are there. So one is test Facebook and test Skype. So according to given information, so it is included only test, starts with the method name which is starts with the test will be executed. So if I use, instead of include, I use exclude, the other two methods will be executed, right? So run as test issued. So now book and pen will be executed. So see here, book and pen is executed successfully. So like this we can use we can use include and exclude tags. So and I want to skip this method, so that I'll write enable equal to false, then run as test and issued. So Skype should not display here in the console, it should not display Skype. So see here, so everything is displayed except Skype, because we have disabled this method. So like this we can use enable equal to false, so it will skip the method. And also we can use testng XML include and exclude. So thank you friends, thanks for watching.